So my entire life, I've always been a people pleaser. I have a heart of gold. So I go out of my way no matter how much I'm stomped on. I go out of my way to show my appreciation, go out of my way to show my love, show my gratitude. And anytime somebody does something for me, I always try to return it back 1,000%. I give it back in ways that they couldn't even imagine. But as I'm starting to grow here and transition into this new timeline and to this new role, to educate and help others, I'm discovering once you release that people pleasing attitude, once you stop giving where it's not deserved, and once you step back and say, whoa, that is not mine, I don't own it, I don't want anything to do with it, your anxiety will go away, your depression will go away, and you'll find peace within yourself. So you can always continue to give with your good heart, but if somebody's not reciprocating that same exact effort, then don't do it. And this could be with anybody. I encounter people every single day of my life, and I want to just keep giving to them. I want to hear their stories. I want to hear where their pain is. I want to feel their energy. I want to feel them, and then I'm going to pour into them. And the thing is, though, you can't pour until your cup's empty, because once your cup is empty, you have nothing left to pour. So in order to make it, let's say, beneficial for you, or rewarding for you, or sustainable for you, then as you're pouring out the cup, you also have to be receiving it from the other end. So if it's a friend, family member, if it's somebody you just met at a grocery store, a gas station, you can feel it if you're trying to pour into them and it's not coming back. If it's not being reciprocated, then stop pouring into it, because you don't want your cup to become dry. The last thing you want to do in life is to lose yourself. If you lose yourself, that is the death. That's death. There's nothing left. Do not lose yourself. Stay focused on you and keep pouring as long as they're pouring back into you. Okay, that's a reciprocated energy. It has to happen that way, or otherwise you will be depleted. Your good golden heart that you have, the love that you give, and you're gonna allow it to eat you up to the point that you're not gonna give it no more. Don't allow that to happen. So make sure that you control your energy. If it's not being reciprocated, stop pouring your cup into their cup and walk away. And this is for anything and anybody in any timeline, anywhere you're at, who you're talking to, what's going on. So just be very self-aware of, if you're not getting anything back and you're just pouring your cup, then double check it. Now, here's another thing I want to mention real quick. If there is never mind, we'll get into this in another video. Watch the next video. I'll get into something different. I hope everybody has a great day.